It is Friday morning. I'm out doing my walk. I already woke up, drank a bunch of water, got hydrated with my electrolytes, and so I'm out here walking. It's around 6 a.m. And I think I'm gonna have to start rethinking my time, because I'm telling you, it is starting to get super cold in the mornings, and I don't know how long I mean, I have like 3 layers of clothes on every day, and it's still super cold. So anyways, I might some days work out on my elliptical or my treadmill, but I do go to the gym also, and but I try to get some morning sunlight the first thing in the morning, and to help my circadian rhythm. If you ever watch Huberman's podcasts, which I recommend, they're really good. He says one of the best things you can do for your sleep is to wake up and expose your eyes to sunlight. So I'm glad you guys are with me today and joining me on the walk. I'm not going to really talk too much today because I have a lot to do. Yesterday I got all the decorations up. I just need to put them away, and now I need to get to wrapping those presents. So when I'm out here, I'm usually one thing that makes the time go by fast is if you listen to a podcast or something. I like to I have Audible. I like to listen to different books. I usually like to listen to something positive in the morning, and so I have a whole list of books that I listen to in the morning. And sometimes usually in the afternoon, I'll talk to a friend while I'm walking. Usually when I'm up here in the morning, everybody's still asleep, but yeah, those are the things I do to make my walking go by faster, where I'm not getting bored. And the less boring I make it, the more likely that I'll be able to stick with it, and the longer I'll be able to, more steps I can get in. But I don't do anything really hardcore anymore these days. I just try to be consistent, and I don't do like I used to. I used to really, a lot of times, honestly, if I'm going to be honest, I would overdo it, and sometimes I even injured myself from doing too much. But you learn over the years. I'm 61 years old. I know that it takes me a lot longer to recover these days, so I take it easy. I go for consistency these days, and just longer, slower walks. Yeah, I forgot my Fitbit this morning. I found at Aldi. It's the coconut rum Riesling, I think that's how you say it, and it is super yummy. So I'm making this for my to have it with my Profi this morning. If you don't know what a Profi is, that is my drink that I drink on most mornings, which is a mix of a protein shake and coffee, and that's usually my breakfast or my first meal of the day. Next, I started filling up my vitamins again. They were kind of getting low for the month, so I had a little time this morning before I started wrapping, and wanted to make sure that I had them all filled up, because December is such a busy month and I don't want to forget to take my vitamins. So this morning I am chopping up these sweet potatoes that Richard grew out in the garden, and I'm gonna bake them in the oven. Then I just drizzled some olive oil on it. I put some of this Malibu seasoning and some of this rosemary on there, and I'm going to put it in the oven. And then I made a little apple salad. I put some apples, raisins, and some pumpkin seeds in there. Then I made these salmon patties. I don't know if you guys remember when I did my pantry clean out, I made up a whole bunch of salmon patties and put them in the freezer. And so that made it super easy to pull them out of the freezer and cook them. And then I also got some of this organic macaroni and cheese at Aldi, and I cooked that with it too. And so this is how much wrapping that I've got done so far. And I just want to show you guys this wrapping paper. I really love this. It's the Griswold's Family Christmas wrapping paper. So that's about it for today. Got my wrapping done. I have more to do, but for today, that's a wrap. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great weekend. Bye.